Hello students, welcome back. Today is a turn of business studies and I have already revised 2 chapters in my previous class. So today it is the turn of chapter number 3. New chapter is being started, that is business environment. Students, before starting the chapter, I would like to inform you that CBSE has uploaded revised syllabus on its site and your syllabus is being reduced up to 30%. So you all are suggested to go through the site and see your revised syllabus. And I am also informing you about the topics that have been removed from your syllabus for current year. Okay student? So what you are going to learn here and what is being removed from your book, from your syllabus. So let's see first, thereafter I will start the chapter. Concept that you have to learn are the concept and meaning of business environment, then importance of business environment, and dimensions of business environment, then introduction of new economic policy. Okay student? So these 4 topics have remained here in your syllabus for current year, and what is being removed from this chapter? Deleted concepts are demonetization and impact of new economic policy. So other than these 4 topics, if anything is there in a book, you are not supposed to learn in this year. Okay students? So let's start the chapter, business environment. Students, you know the meaning of both 2 words, business and environment. So what environment is? Students, it is the surrounding where you are staying, where you are living. It is the space, the atmosphere, the place, everything that where you are living and everything that it consists of is known as your environment. In the same way, definitely business is also being conducted at one place, and the place where it exists, it has some type of environment also. So when we consider ourselves or yourself, what environment is for ourselves, what environment is? It is the air, the environment, the trees, the weather. These are the contents, the constituents of environment. But for business, what environment is? For business, the weather, the trees, the air, it is not environment. For business, everyone who is connected to the business and everything whose activities affect the business and all those things which affect the business are not from inside the organization. These are from outside the business organization. All those things becomes its environment. Think over it, student. For you and for me, what environment is? The air, the weather, the trees, the surrounding, this is environment. But for business, what environment is? The place where business exists and all those persons who are connected directly or indirectly with the business. But those persons are from outside the environment, outside the business organization, are known as business environment. So how can we define this? How can we define business environment? So students, in definition of business environment, we can say all those forces that affect the activities of business from outside are known as business environment, and it consists of suppliers of the company, government policies, the society where the business exists, and all technological forces All these are the consequences of business environment. Clear, student? I hope you would have understood the meaning. So, the environment of business also affect the activities of the business influently. Why? Why these effect? Suppose you are producing one product and it has a lot of demand in market. On the other hand, after few months, after few years, your demand becomes decreasing. Why it is so? Because the taste of the customer changes. Let us take one example. Earlier, mobile companies were producing black and white screen mobile, keypad mobiles. Thereafter, what came? Touch screen, colored mobile came. Then, touch screen mobile came. And if any company is producing in today's environment such mobile phones in black and white screen or keypad mode, can you tell me whether it will be able to sell their mobiles or not? You will directly say that it will not be able to sell its mobile. Because today the technology has upgraded. So in the same way, the customer's taste also changes frequently. So the company which keep themselves upgraded with the technological changes, or we can say with the environmental changes of business, they get success in future also. So that is why, student, I say that business environment also badly affect, it can adversely affect the business also. So it is important for each and every businessman to keep upgraded with the environment of business. Clear, students? So students, in the environment, it can be individual person, it can be any institution, it can be government or any other organization which affect the activities of business and that can influence the activities of business also. Clear, student? And these are beyond the control of the business organization. Business organization cannot control itself from the upcoming environment, from facing the upcoming environment. It has to face the environment. But if it is aware about it, then it can prevent itself and it can take measurement in advance so that the business environment may not affect adversely to the organization. So that is why, student, it is very necessary for each and every organization to have the knowledge of environment and to have the upcoming information about the environment so that in advance the organization can prepare itself. Student, have you ever seen any industrialist at home? Any businessman who is operating at large scale? Which newspaper they study? At your home, you would be studying the local newspaper, which are very popular here. But the industrialist, the business organization or the CEOs of the business organization or large scale business businessmen, which newspaper they study? They study Economic Times, Business Standards. So many newspapers are there which give information about the upcoming upgradations in business and technology, whatever it is. So why do they study? Do you have a thought in your mind? Because they want to keep them upgraded with the upcoming conditions, with the upcoming changes in the environment of business, so that they can keep them upgraded and so that they can take the measurement in advance to face the environment and to prevent themselves so that the upcoming business environment may not affect its activities adversely. Clear, student? So I think that you would have understood the concept of business environment, what it is. In short, in very short, we can define business environment, what it is. All those external forces which are beyond the control of the organization and that affect the activities of the organization are known as business environment. Clear, students? So, first of all, thereafter the meaning of the business environment, we will study its features, what its features are. Okay, students? So, let's study. So, after understanding the meaning and the concept of business environment, students, now question arises about the classification of environment. How it can be classified. So students, business environment can be classified as economic environment and non-economic environment. And you well know the meaning of economic and non-economic. The environment that impact the business organization, that has impact on the business environment economically, known as economic environment. On the other hand, the business or the environment that don't have effect economically on the organization. In other words, we can say the environment that does not affect the organization economically are known as non-economic environment. Okay, students. So in my next video, I will discuss to you about the features of business environment. It can be called features, characteristics, and nature of business environment. Clear, students?